friend, Marian here. So, ito yung isa sa books that we are reading. Fuel Your Fire, 200 Ways to Instantly Beat Burnout and Reignite Your Passions. So, we bought it from National Bookstore. One of the books that di natin maano yung price. No? So, restore your happiness, confidence, and purpose. So, yung activity number 1 niya is, let me share with you. So, this is stress relief activities or beating burnout. So, yung first ano niya is tends to relax. So, we are being asked to relax. Kumbaga, if it's unusually long day, tiring, so we are asked to relax. So, sabi niya, you can lie on your bed or on a carpeted floor. Let your arms and legs rest wherever is comfortable. And then we have to close our eyes and begin breathing slowly. Ito yung step natin. First one is direct your attention to your toes. Notice how they feel and when there is any tension in them. Squeeze and flex your toes as hard as you can without hurting yourself and hold the squeeze for 3 seconds. Then release your toes and allow the tension to run out of them. So once you finish relaxing your toes, move on to your feet. Then after that, same process. I-tense mo rin yung feet mo, just like what you do with your toes. And then your ankles. Until, yan, ankles. Ano ba yan? Legs, knees. Ano ba yan? Waist. Your arms. Until you go to your head. So, if you find that holding the squeeze for 3 seconds didn't release all the tension in one particular area, try holding for another 3 seconds in that same place. So, kung hindi mo daw na-reach yung relaxation, you just have to repeat it for another 3 seconds. So, that's the first activity in this book, Fuel Your Fire. No? How to beat burnout and reignite your passion. Kasi friend, pag burnout tayo, hindi tayo productive, hindi tayo makapag-isip, hindi tayo maka-move on, we are just stuck. So we have to re-energize ourselves para to go back on track. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.